Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.